1 to 10, I'll figure that out what that means for normal people who wants to make cold brew. I believe that's the best ratio recipe that you can have for a cold brew. It's strong, but it's not terribly strong. And for the most part, you don't have to really dilute it. I would say you want to go finer on the grind in order to enhance and get a little bit more extraction than what you think that you need to do with cold brew. And after you stir it that time, you just put it in the fridge and you just wait a day. 18, 24 hours. Probably a little bit longer if you forgot here and there. But, for the most part, it's pretty easy to make. But I think it's extremely critical that it is a 1 to 10 ratio. I do think that when you make it with a medium roast, with a light roast, with a dark roast, with, I guess, even a geisha, it's going to work out for you. And I think you'll be able to actually taste what the coffee tastes like. Right? I think that's really why some of us gravitate to a cold brew. It kind of strips some of the things that people think that's bad about coffee, or you could just want a refresher during the summertime. That could be just it too, which is perfectly fine. And I think the cool thing about cold brew is that it's a blank canvas. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. You can drink it straight up like it is. You can drink it with creamer, ice cubes, coffee cubes, alcohol. I guess you can kind of do that with hot coffee, but it's just a little bit different. I think it's more innocent, if that makes any sense. I think sometimes when we drink these coffees hot, they have 100% personality right in front of your face. They're just loud. They're just wants to let you know who they are. But for some odd reason, cold brew to me is a little bit more reserved. Is it my thing? Not really, but I do understand why people like it. And I think that's probably why I don't really like it as much, because it's not so much in my face. But again, that's, I think, most people care about. They just want that canvas to be completely blank. They want to paint and do whatever the hell they want to with that canvas. And I think that's the beauty of it. And it will take whichever flavor that you want to go at. It will, if you have a fruity coffee, it'll taste the way that you think that it will, without the high intensity of the acidity. It's more chocolatey. That's probably what people want more than anything. And I think that's perfectly fine. And as I sit here and just ponder a little bit about why people like cold brew, it doesn't really matter what I think about why they like it. They like it. That's it. That's all they care about. And at the end of the day, they probably want a recipe that just works. And they just probably want to change it up. And I think the 1 to 10 ratio, with a slightly finer grind than normal, 18 to 24 hours, or probably even a little bit longer, will get you there. And I think that's the only thing that we really care about. And if we are able to do that and able to express ourselves in whichever drinks that we make with cold brew, I think that's going to say a lot for us, either during the summertime, during the wintertime, or when the hell we want to drink it, cold brew. It's so cool that you can just open up the fridge and you see coffee already made. So yeah, 1 to 10 ratio. After it's completely done, filter it out through a paper filter and enjoy. Make whatever creation that you want to, because you have so much of it. So have fun with it. This is me, Get Everyday Bean, signing off. Talk to you later. Bye.